go up here?
Yes.
You can go right here.
So my hands are warm.
Walker.
Walker. Walker, say cheese. Say cheese.
I'll these. So I don't get
Make some monkey sounds for us.
Make some monkey sounds.
Ooh, ah, I'll these so I don't get cold.
That's
That's right.
good.
You want to go ahead and put your...
These on so I don't
Good job.
And we can go home now.
Set this one on too. I think it'd be extra warm, monkey.
Oh, nice.
All right.
All
ready to
right, let's
go.
go. Here, let me go up there. I'll take pictures. Go up there, pictures.
Let's hide. It'll probably freak out when they turn around.
Okay, now, do you ring the doorbell?
Hey, David, move over for a sec.
And what are we gonna say?
Dude, give me good stuff for taking pictures.
What do you say, monkey?
Say trick or treat.
Well,
Fine.
Oh, you look like that.
That's whatever. Yeah, totally. I
what do you say?
just that.
Thank you.
Wow. What did you get, Walker? What did you get, Kayla?
Great house.
This is a
That was a great house. It's gonna be funny if we walk from another house and they're like,
We'll have to try
Be
best
careful.
one.
"What'd you get?"
Okay.
What'd you get? Show me what you got.
Whoa.
Cheese.
Delicious. This is delicious.
Oh no, your bucket broke.
Say, we can fix
It just put back together in the circle.
Nice.
No, it really don't. The circle broke off.
Okay, hold on. We got another one at home.
I got another one in the car. I'll be right back.
Give that one to Daddy.
Oh, don't give him the candy though.
Here, Trey, give this to Daddy.
I'm gonna go get you a new bucket.
I thought I got more in the house.